As you can see, this particular remote control, one of my customers' remotes, has been extensively used and it looks in rather grubby state. Now, if you don't want to take it apart, that's fair enough. But one thing you can do is to give it a good clean. And there is a way of doing it, and I will just demonstrate that to you. The issue that you might have, then what you can do is strip it down and clean it out completely with the alcohol. Thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe.